Okay friends, we are having few questions, numerical questions based on kinematic equation of uniform accelerated motion. So I am reading out the question for you. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it come to rest, it brought to rest. Okay, so clear cut informations are given. Initial speed which we are representing by V0, that is 90 km per hour. Okay, second thing is given acceleration A equal to minus 0.5 meter per second square. Here brakes are applied, that means retardation is experienced by the train. So we have negative sign, minus 0.5 meter per second square. You can understand that. Now how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. Brought to rest, that means its final speed is equal to 0. Okay. And how far, that means distance we want to calculate. The question is very clear. The task is very clear. We just want to find out after applying brake how much distance is covered by the train. So first of all, if we check the unit, initial speed is given in kilometer per hour and acceleration, that is retardation, is given in meter per second square. So first of all, we have to convert this V0 into meter per second. So 90 kilometer, that means 90 into 1000. Okay, that will be in meter. And hour, 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So that way you can convert meter per second from kilometer per hour. So 0 get cancelled out, right? 9 4s are 36. That means 100 divided by 4, which is nothing but 25. 25 meter per second is what the initial speed. So the train is running, moving with 25 meter per second. Now question is very clear. D is to be find out. We have final speed 0. Initial speed is 25 meter per second. Retardation is minus 0.5. So applying uniform accelerated equation, we can say definitely this is what the proper equation to solve the question. Here there is no time connected information, so we can apply D equal to V square minus V0 square upon 2A, right? So this is equal to what? 0. Final speed is 0, so 0 minus V0 square, that is 25 square. So 25 into 25, right? Divided by 2 into A. A is 0.5 with negative sign. So negative get cancelled out, and 25 square, that is equal to 625. 625 divided by 0.5 into 2, that is equal to 1. So ultimately what we are getting, 625 distance. So we can definitely write unit meter. So final answer which we are getting, the distance traveled by train after applying brakes is nothing but 625 meter. Okay, this is the way you can solve this type of question. A simple question, direct connected formula, you can connect the formula and you people can find out the answer. Okay, one more question we have. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired, and second question is the distance traveled by the bus. Okay, the bus starting from rest, that means first information is what? Initial speed of the bus is 0, right? From rest. And after starting, it acquire acceleration 0.1 meter per second square, right? For what? 2 minutes. So time interval is given 2 minutes. 2 minutes, if we convert it into second, that is 2 into 60, which is equal to 120 second. Fine. First question is what? Speed acquired. Okay, the final speed after 2 minutes, what is the speed acquired by the bus? And second question is distance traveled. B is D equal to distance traveled. So this is what a clear cut question. Initial speed is 0, A equal to 0.1 meter per second square, T is equal to 2 minutes, which we have converted into second, 120 second. Okay. So first question, if we solve first question, definitely we want to find out final speed. We have V0, A and T. So definitely one of the equation, kinematic equation, which we can apply very first equation, V equal to V0 plus AT. Right. So final speed V is equal to 0 plus, what is A? A is given 0.1 and time interval is 120. So 120 into 0.1, 0 plus, what we can say, 12. That means after 2 minutes the speed acquired by bus is 12 meter per second. So this is the simple way to solve the question. Okay, students, if you like, you just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon of like. Okay, now let's see question B, the distance traveled by the bus. So here we have time, final speed. Okay, any one equation, D equal to, you can say V0 T plus half AT square, or D equal to V square minus V0 square upon 2A. Any equation you can apply. So distance, if I apply D equal to, okay, V0 T plus half AT square, what will get? V0 is 0. So 0 plus half. What is the value of A? 0.1. And T square. Time is 120. So 120, that is 120 into 120. Okay. So what will get here? This is equal to 1 0 get cancelled out, 0.1, that is 1 divided by 10. So 12 into 120. 12 square of 12 is 144. So 144 and 1 0 is there, divide by 2, right? So what will get? 144 divided by 2, that is 72. 0 is there, so 720 meter, right? So how much distance is covered? 720 meter. You people can check by this equation also, or you can apply this equation also, D equal to V square minus V0 square upon 2A. Any one equation you can apply, either this D equal to V0 T plus half AT square, or V square minus V0 square upon 2A. Answer you people will find out same only. So D equal to V square. Now what is V square? V is 12. So we have 144, right? 12 square. 12 square minus V0 is 0, 2 into A. What is A? A is 0.1, right? So what will have? 144 divided by 0.2. Now this 0.2 can be write as what? 1440. This 2 divided by 10. 10 goes up, divided by 2. Ultimately you are getting same only. So D equal to what? 720 meter. So students, you people can apply any one equation whenever you have this type of information. Okay. So these are what the simple questions based on kinematic equation for uniform accelerated motion.